Look at that, the camera's fogged up. Steamy out here this morning. Kind of half drizzling rain. We're going to do a little shop time today. Hey boy, what you doing? Oh, the maintenance, huh?
Yep.
Nice. I better shut this off before the music gets me in trouble. I think we're going to switch this from a carburetor to fuel injection too.
Hello. Okay. Hello. Hello, my name is Sarah. Bikes. Well, today I'm writing about this bike. This is my very old one. See, it still has training wheels. That's my really old bike. Well, I'm going through where's my other bike? Okay. My big bike.
Right there.
Okay. We're going to my big bike. This is my new bike.
Look at that button.
And
you don't need to hold it down.
And I've just got it and for my birthday. And some of these fell off because I've been falling. The same one, this one over here is still there. And that's pretty much everything. And here's the car.
Okay, I got the carburetor off. Funny story. About 2.5 years ago, I decided I was going to put fuel injection on this thing. Never buy a carb again. So these things had just hit the market and were very hot. And I read all the reviews and this one was pretty good, so I decided I was going to go with this. I went with the Fuel Command Center and the 600 horsepower basic kit, 4 injectors I think it has. Never buy a carburetor again. I ordered it and the Fuel Command Center was on back order. Getting ready for the mountain trip. There's a video up of the mountain trip. Ended up going out and buying another carburetor. Bought this Holly and it actually ran pretty well for a while. Well, I say a while. It still runs pretty good. It is a little bit cantankerous with that large camshaft I have. I think the fuel injection is going to help me with that. I really don't have any complaints about that Holly carburetor. It did very well. And it might find its way onto, I don't know.
What's up?
A supercharger maybe, I don't know. But we're going to go ahead and I've had these parts now. I think that Fuel Command Center came in a month after our mountain trip. And it's been sitting on the shelf ever since. It was in the house for quite some time and now I brought it out to the shop. Can't leave it set out here, so we're going to go ahead and unbox it and install it. Look at there. I did install one of these on my sister's Duster not long ago. Rebuilt 340, a pretty big cam, and they wanted to go with this system. We installed one of these on that Duster and it ran very well. I was very happy with how it did. So I hope it does the same thing for my cantankerous large camshaft 454. I guess we'll see. Okay, so here's a little update. It's coming along. We got some plumbing done. Got the Fuel Command Center mounted. I need a 90 to put my vent on. I need a vacuum to run the ported vacuum on the engine. I'm ready to hook up the power over here. And see, I got a few more controllers, a few more wires to go with for the controller. Here's my controller harness. I need to put a bung in for the O2 sensor, and we'll be carburetor free after that.